Imagine a substance so potent that it could be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant life. Well, wonder no more, because the answer might just be sitting in your kitchen pantry. Did you know that olive oil not only tastes delicious, but it also has incredible anti-inflammatory benefits? That's right. This golden elixir contains powerful compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body, promoting better overall health. So, grab a bottle of olive oil and let's dive into the amazing anti-inflammatory power it holds. Nature's anti-inflammatory potion. At the heart of olive oil's health benefits lies its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, olive oil serves as a natural shield against chronic inflammation, a pervasive culprit in various health issues. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation is closely linked to the development of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. The anti-inflammatory compounds in olive oil help mitigate these risks, offering a preventative measure to safeguard long-term health. Heart health champion. Olive oil is a cornerstone of the heart-healthy Mediterranean diet. Regular consumption has been associated with lower blood pressure, reduced cholesterol levels, and improved overall cardiovascular health, significantly lowering the risk of heart disease. Joint pain alleviation. The anti-inflammatory effects of olive oil extend their soothing embrace to achy joints. For those grappling with arthritis or joint pain, incorporating olive oil into your diet may bring welcome relief by reducing inflammation and improving joint function. Weight management support. Unwanted weight gain is often accompanied by low-grade inflammation. Olive oil, when included in a balanced diet, can help regulate metabolism and promote a healthy weight, addressing the inflammatory factors associated with obesity. Balanced blood sugar levels. Fluctuating blood sugar levels can contribute to inflammation and increase the risk of diabetes. Olive oil, with its ability to improve insulin sensitivity, aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels, offering a protective shield against inflammation-driven diabetes. Brain health enhancement. The brain benefits from olive oil's anti-inflammatory prowess as well. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil supports cognitive function, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Cancer-fighting potential. The antioxidants in olive oil, particularly polyphenols, exhibit anti-cancer properties. While not a cure, the regular consumption of olive oil has been associated with a lower risk of certain cancers, offering a protective layer against inflammation-driven malignancies. Digestive harmony. Inflammation in the digestive system can lead to a host of issues, from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, to inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to a healthier gut environment, promoting digestive harmony. Skin radiance and youthfulness. The skin, our largest organ, is not exempt from the benefits of olive oil. Rich in vitamin E and polyphenols, olive oil nourishes the skin from within, reducing inflammation and contributing to a radiant and youthful complexion. Improved respiratory health. Chronic inflammation in the respiratory system can exacerbate conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory effects extend to the lungs, potentially providing relief for those with respiratory issues. Enhanced immune function. Chronic inflammation can compromise the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil support immune function, helping the body defend itself against pathogens and stay healthier overall. Longevity booster. While not a magical elixir for immortality, the combination of heart health support, cancer-fighting potential, and overall inflammation reduction positions olive oil as a potential ally in the quest for a longer, healthier life. Conclusion. Olive oil, a time-honored elixir cherished in kitchens across the globe, is more than just a culinary delight. It is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory benefits, a natural remedy that transcends the realms of health and wellness. From heart health to joint pain alleviation, weight management to cancer prevention, olive oil's virtues are as diverse as they are profound. As you savor the rich flavors of this liquid gold, remember that you're not just treating your taste buds. You're nurturing your body with a potent shield against inflammation, laying the foundation for a healthier and more vibrant life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.